Welcome to my channel Research Script. Today we are going to learn how to install Moodle in a web host. Please stick to the last portion of the video because at that time we will talk about what actually Moodle is. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So you need to go to the cpanel of a web hosting. As you can see, I'm just inside the cpanel. I'm just clicking it to make you sure that you need to type this on your web browser, or you can just talk to your web hosting. Can I log in into cpanel? Okay, now we are inside. This is my username, this is my password. So we got inside it, and then what one thing you have to do is, so you need to go and look for Softaculous app. By the way, this is my cpanel, and you can see my general information. I'll blur this up, and you just need to go and click on Softaculous or Softaculous, how to say that, and then go and install different app. So the next thing is, if you want to install WordPress, then this is also the way. Okay, then you need to go to Moodle, click on this Moodle, and then you just click install now. Okay, now here are something important you need to be very careful of. First, you need to declare which version you want to install. Today we are going to install the latest one, that is 3.8.3. and then this is the important one. So if you keep Moodle 30, then your website would be something like learnerspace.tk/Moodle 30. Whenever you click that, then only Moodle will be opened. But you don't want that, so you need to keep this space empty. So now whenever someone clicks www.learnerspace.tk, it will be directly redirected to the mm, to your Moodle site. Okay, now here cron job, you need to be what does Moodle suggest is that it needs to be less than 200 seconds. So we will keep something about 3 minutes. Okay, so in every 3 minutes the refreshing of your site will be occurring in the server. I think that's what it's trying to say. If you have any comment on that, please write down on the description below. Your suggestion is most required. Okay, now you can see, you can write your site name and description. Suppose let us make this description something like Moodle demo. Okay, I'll show you where this thing will come up in your site. And this is the admin username and this is the password. You just remember this. We'll just, after installing this, we'll put inside the password and admin login, then we will just get inside our Moodle. This is the language you want to install, so we are declaring that we want to install English. Now let's install it. As you can see, the installing have been started already 6%. I'll just fast forward it and I'll show you at the end. Okay, as you can see, it has already been installed. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. It is asking whether you want to tweet it or not. You will just leave it as it is. Okay, now as I told you, our directory was blank. Okay, so now for that, if you go to learnerspace.tk, so if you go to only this one, then automatically you can see, oh, not the cpanel, but for a while. Okay, .tk, now you can see the Moodle is opening. Yep, so my internet is not good, sorry for that. Okay, now you can see the Moodle is here. Now remember one thing, the description that you wrote here is shown in the header. Okay, now what you have to do is you need to log in. Remember the username, it was admin, and the password was PASSWORD1 and another exclamatory mark. You can see, remember the username, you just log in. Okay, now we are inside the Moodle site and we will just take a tour. It is just simply showing you what is shown in the screen. Okay, you can just say next, just in the score, you can just look by yourself. Okay, so you are now inside the system administrator, so we'll talk the logistics behind it. Congratulations and thank you for sticking to the end of the video. So I hope you all are new in Moodle and it's really confusing for you to start this new software and enhance your educational journey. So first of all, we'll talk what is Moodle. It's a learning management system, which is also known as LMS. It helps different universities, different educational sectors to make some content and enroll certain students on that courses. Second thing, so there are two ways to install Moodle. One is on the web hosting, specific web hosting that we just did it before. Second is you can install it in your own home server or a standard one. In coming videos, we will make a video how to make your regular PC into a server, and also how to install Moodle in your server. If you are a school, if you are educational, any companies, then you need to watch that video. So first of all, remember in the previous minutes we just logged in as a system administrator. So different users have different permission. So how does Moodle work? This flow chart will just make you very clear. First of all, we logged in as system administrator. Think as you are a principal, or you are a head principal or something like that, and then you just upload the username and password. Okay, you just make usernames, and then after that, when you are uploading the username, you assign roles to each and every person. Like, okay, you be teacher, or you be a student, you be a non-editing teacher, you be a manager. And by doing that only, the task is not done yet. After you make individual username and password for individual person, now you need to enroll those person to a certain particular course. For an example, teacher 1 and student 1, please read physics 101. As you can see that every student do not read every subject in a university, and every teacher do not teach every subject in a university. So that is the real sense. And remember, every users, every person that are using this Moodle have their own dashboard appearance and their own permission that we can moderate by our system administrator. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll come up with more new videos with a lot of other things about Moodle, and this will be a very interesting journey. Thank you for supporting us. See you soon.